Okay everyone, today I've got Wombat Stew and this is a very quick lesson plan you can do to learn more about a narrative for yourself or if you need a lesson plan for your kids. So Wombat Stew is quite common. If you don't have it, just YouTube. It's by Pamela Lofts and you can find people reading the books out on YouTube. So that's your book and you're going to look at a narrative. So over here I've got a picture of a narrative plan. So you have your orientation is who, when, where. It just sets the scene really. And then you get a complication, so that's the problem. Then you have your series of events leading up to the resolution. Sometimes at the end there's also a coda, which is some comment that brings us to now. Okay, so Wombat Stew. What you need to do, I'll just see if I can turn this over, is obviously read the book. When you're reading it, you need to look for your orientation. Okay, so if we go here, obviously the orientation is one day, where on the banks of a billabong, and who, your clever dingo. So read through it, find your orientation, complication, the events leading up to your resolution. So that's your very basic analysis of your narrative structure. Once you've done that, you can start going through looking for your adjectives. So what type of wombat? What type of dingo? How does it describe all the animals? So you've got lots of adjectives describing the stew. Okay, it's a yummy, chewy, gooey, brewy stew. Okay, you've got the type of smile, it was a toothy grin. So you go through and look at all the adjectives. If you want to go more into it, you can look more at different parts of speech, but I like this book for the adjectives. So once you've done your analysis of Wombat Stew, if you want to go further, you can then plan out your own narrative. So you go again back to the structure, you do dot points for your story, remembering you've got your orientation, complication, the series of events leading to the resolution. Once you've done that, you can then, of course, do your short story as a draft, review it, and then rewrite. Okay, so that's a very short YouTube video on Wombat Stew and your narrative structure. Thank you.